I finally pressed record. Yay! This has been such a long time coming. I need to stop looking at myself. Look there. Stupid motorcycles. Here we are making my first YouTube video of this go around. I've made many YouTube videos before, and I will go into that in a little bit. But this video is all about my plan to completely change my life using YouTube and my 659 subscribers. I'm just saying that, but I'm pretending like I'm starting with 0 subscribers, and this is just like a brand new blank channel. I'm just gonna use the channel I already have because why not? I love baking, and I do think that this channel will mostly revolve around baking and recipes. So you might be wondering why the hell I'm not in the kitchen baking something. For this video, I actually want to go a little bit beyond that. So I do want to be able to just like sit down and talk about stuff and also not make the entire channel super like niche focus and only baking. Also, because there seems to be this like crazy thing happening on YouTube where YouTube is pushing out videos of small creators. And we're talking very simple videos of people literally just sitting down and talking to the camera, minimal editing, like just very simple, kind of like what I'm doing right now. This is the reason why I'm doing it. But I've watched so many videos of people talking about how this is happening, and I've actually started to see it happen like before my eyes. So I have two main examples of this. One is a YouTuber. I believe her name is Frankie, or at least her channel name is Frankie. She has like a main channel where she has around 70,000 subscribers, but then she created another second channel where she had, I think, like 200 subscribers when she started. I think she's now up to like 2,000 something. And she actually created this really cool concept that I like of doing like a 75 hard, but for YouTube, which that obviously seems like a lot of work, and it is a lot of work. But also, if you just stick to this format of like videos of you talking, it's not that hard. And you're probably spending that time. If you're me, you are spending that time scrolling on your phone because I have a little phone addiction. I'm not afraid to admit it. I'm working on it. I have her as an example, Frankie. And then I have this woman. Her name is, I have my laptop is down here. Maggie McCormack. Okay, I've been consuming lots of videos on YouTube about making YouTube videos. So I think my algorithm is pretty primed for this, and I've just been getting tons of videos about this. But her video that I found was something called like kind of what I'm doing today. I believe it was like how YouTube is changing my life with less than 100 subscribers. Yes. Oh, with less than 1,000 subscribers. That was the video that I found her through. This was like 2 weeks ago. I don't remember. I think maybe she had like 10K subscribers, maybe even less than that. A video of hers popped up on my feed yesterday. I saw the video had 2 million views, and I was like, oh, wow, like go off, Maggie. Like she blew up with that video. I go to check her subscriber count. She had 82,000 subscribers. That is crazy to me. Like just such like immense growth in such a small amount of time. The types of videos that she does are mostly she like goes out into like the Australian forest. There's like a lot of trees in her background, and she talks about stuff. Those are the types of videos that she's been making. So it's kind of like a bit more of a simple format, yet it obviously is working great. And I went to check on her YouTube channel today just to tell you for this video like what her name was. Like I mentioned yesterday, she had 82,000 subscribers. It has not even been 24 hours, and she's now at 92,000 subscribers. 10,000 subscribers, like in not even 24 hours is crazy to me, but that just goes to show that you don't know when a video that you make is going to change your life and is going to get you those things that you've been dreaming about for so long, and you have no way of knowing. But also, if you never make any video, that's just simply not going to happen. Whereas if you are making your videos, you are making your content, you have like no guarantee that that's ever going to happen to you, but you do now have the possibility that it will. So that's my goal with starting up YouTube again, is putting myself out there to the possibility of one video that I make or many videos that I make just changing my life and getting me like that much closer to the dreams that I've always had. So a little backstory into those dreams. I have wanted to be a YouTuber for about, I want to say like 14 years. I'm about to turn 30 next week, and I believe I started watching YouTube around 14 years ago. I don't know. It was like the time of the YouTube beauty gurus. That's how I got into it. I found a girl talking about, I think, her hair routine in her bedroom, and I became obsessed. I then started watching all the YouTube beauty gurus. So if you are maybe like around the same age I am, then maybe you also watch these beauty gurus. But I remember it was Juicy Star 07, Mac Barbie 07, Stila Babe 09. Um, that era of YouTube. That was like golden era. I loved that. Anyways, I watched those videos, and first of all, I became obsessed with like watching more of them, but my first thought was like, wait, I want to do this. Now, I was a, let's say like 14-year-old girl or 15-year-old girl, whatever. Let's say I was like a 15-year-old girl living in Colombia, which is where I'm from, and I guess I like I think I started recording on my iPad, and then I later convinced my parents to buy me a camera. I probably asked for it for Christmas or something. And so I got my little camera. I remember it was red, and I would sit in my room, and like I didn't have a tripod, so I would like pop the camera up on something and just like put on makeup. Really bad videos. I did not succeed as a YouTube beauty guru, in case you hadn't caught on to that yet. But anyways, um, I had that dream for so long. I never like did it consistently or anything like that, but that was like the beginning of everything. Around like 4 years ago, I decided to give YouTube a try again because YouTube is just always on my mind. It's just that thing that I've always wanted to do it. I've always wanted to be on YouTube. I feel like YouTube is like such like a safe space, a creative space, and I've just always wanted to be here. Yeah. Then like a year ago, I decided once again that I wanted to try YouTube, and I uploaded like 10 videos. When I tried to and then once again, anyways, all of this to say, this is not the first YouTube I've ever made. I've made lots, but this is the first time that I am completely convinced and determined to change my life with YouTube. And not just because I'm expecting to like gain a bunch of subscribers and make a bunch of money, and clearly that would change my life big time, but because I want to be disciplined and consistent with what I desire to do. So I want to make YouTube videos. I want to be a YouTuber. And the thing that hadn't really clicked for me is that the only thing I have to do to be a YouTuber is literally to upload videos to YouTube. Shocker. Um, I just kind of always thought that to call yourself a YouTuber, you have to be like a successful YouTuber. So, have lots of subscribers and have it be something that makes you money. And I'm not going to lie, that is a goal of mine. Will it happen? I don't know. I am like releasing that into the universe. And if it's meant for me, then it's going to happen. But the only thing that I need to do is show up every single day as that YouTuber that I want to be. And then I will already be her. Like once I upload this video, and then once I start planning my next video and I film that and I upload that, I'm a YouTuber. And the whole point of honestly life, sorry to get so deep on you, is to enjoy the process. I am running out of breath. Um I feel like the whole point of life is to enjoy the process of like going after the things that we want, not so much that end goal of like, oh, like I got here. It's more the journey along the way. That sounds so cheesy. I'm so sorry, but I find it to be true. I'm about to turn 30, so I'm feeling wise. Back to my plan for having YouTube change my life. I believe it's gonna change my life because I'm gonna start showing up for myself and showing up for my dreams and showing up for the kind of person that I wanna be. Like, I have this vision in my mind of who I wanna be, and I'm just so tired of, scrolling and watching other people become things similar and me just kinda, like, chilling and not doing anything about it. I'm really tired of not doing anything about it. So, my plan um is to kind of, like, take advantage of this special little time that seems to be happening on YouTube where you can, like, just kind of be a bit more chill. You don't have to go into, like, super edited videos. I'm not the best at editing. I don't really like it. Like, as soon as I can, I will be hiring someone to edit my videos because it's not a part of the content creation process that I enjoy. But anyways, there seems to be a space for videos that are a little bit more like minimal effort, like a bit more chill. Even for my baking videos that I'm planning on doing, I want them to be just like a bit more chill. Like I want to take you with me, I don't know, like to the supermarket. We can like buy the stuff we need for the recipe. I'll just come home, like put up my camera and bake with you instead of doing this very like polished like, "Hi, today we are going to be making an apple pie." Yeah, that's the plan. Just make like the barrier to entry a bit, um what am I trying to say here? Just to try to make the barrier of me, like, getting started and actually keeping up with this easier to, surpass. Oh my god, okay, I'm out of words. My strategy for this channel is also to not, like, niche it down into one specific thing. So just because I've always done baking videos, I'm not only going to do baking videos, I'm gonna do all types of videos. So that's my strategy for how I'm going to completely change my life with YouTube. I'm going to do everything that I just said, and I'm probably also going to keep like updating with videos on how this whole process is going. If there's any type of growth happening, just like updating on the process of following my dreams and becoming the YouTuber I've always wanted to be. If you are just here because you also want to start your own YouTube journey and you like have also been wanting to do this for a really long time, I hope this video was somewhat helpful. I'm gonna link down like the two people that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. I think that's all I have to say for now. Sorry that the lighting was like switching up um, during the whole video. I'm just like standing in front of a window as people usually recommend you do. But today's like the sun was kind of like in and out and in and out. I need to catch a breath. So I'm going to end this video off here. And I'm really excited for whatever is going to come out of this. Bye.